Welcome to Crater Lake National Park. We just arrived at Crater Lake National Park and we got our first peek of the lake, and it is everything we expected and probably more. We are just starting the Discovery Point Trail. It's July 3rd. We thought most of the park would be open, but we found out that a lot of the East Rim Trail is still closed. I could seriously sit here and stare at this view all day. This is magical. We're walking around at the top of the Discovery Point Trail and the views keep getting better and better. So we're hiking the Discovery Point Trail and I just made a friend. Hello, chipmunk. Goodbye, chipmunk. It's July, but there's definitely a lot of snow still at the park. We were really hoping to do the Watchman's Peak Trail, which goes all the way up there, but the trail is actually still closed. But we just parked at the overlook, so we'll walk around a little bit. We just got to the Cleat Cove Trail. The park ranger at the front entrance said that it was closed, but it doesn't look like it's closed. So we're gonna try to walk out as far as we can. This is the only trail that takes you to lake level where you can actually get into the water. So we'll see. We just passed a park ranger who told us we can get all the way down to the water. So we're super excited right now. We're probably gonna come back tomorrow because Gary wants to do some cliff jumping into the water. I'm still on the fence because the water temperature is in the 40s, so we'll see. I can't wait to get down there. So this entire trail is downhill and going back up is gonna suck a little bit, but I think when we get to the bottom it's gonna be worth it. The boat tours aren't open yet. As you can see, they're working on putting the dock back out there. We just got down to lake level. I'm still contemplating if I want to jump in tomorrow. We're on our way up. Gary's not too happy. we have a long way to go. We just pit stopped on the way back up and we're literally just sitting on a bench staring at this view because I don't think this will ever get old. We just finished the Cleat Cove Trail. We will definitely be back tomorrow. Gary's definitely jumping in. I'm leaning towards probably jumping in, so we'll see. The color of this water is seriously magical. So all good things must come to an end. The road is closed up there, so we can't drive any further onto the East Rim Road. But we still have this spectacular view in front of us, so I guess I can't really complain. We're at the Crater Lake Lodge now. We're waiting to get lunch. There's about 15 people ahead of us, so we have a little bit of a wait. But we have this view to check out while we're waiting, so I am pretty happy. So we just ate lunch at the Crater Lake Lodge and now we're sitting outside and this is our view. Day 2 at Crater Lake National Park. We're gonna check out the Discovery Point Trail again because we loved it yesterday. And then we're gonna head over to the Cleat Cove Trail. I'm a little sad my chipmunk friend isn't here again today to do a photo shoot. Happy 4th of July from Crater Lake National Park.
It is simply beautiful here.
Doesn't get much better than this. Living life on the edge. So we're back at the Cleat Cove Trail. Gary is definitely jumping in. I'm like 95% jumping in.
This is Michelle's death march.
I'm freaking out right now. Like honestly, I'm cold with like all my clothes on right now. It's 50 degrees. The water is 38 degrees. I feel like I'm marching to my death right now. This is bad.
It's not that bad. I told Michelle that when the water is bluer, it means it's colder. She didn't like that joke. So I can't wait to mess with her.
Alright. Bad decisions make for great stories.
Good job, babe. I am so proud of you.
Happy birthday, Dad! Oh man. It's hard to breathe.
That was awesome.
Oh my god. Of course I picked the hardest way, didn't I? Oh, it is cold.
You did great. Good job, babe.
It literally takes your breath away. I did it though.
This is gonna suck.
You got this. Woo! Oh yeah! Good job, babe! How you feel right now? I can't believe I just jumped in this water. Just chilling lakeside at Crater Lake.
Gorgeous, should I just start walking up now?
One last look at this gorgeous lake from the bottom. Now it's time to head back up. So how do you feel, babe?
Awesome. That was phenomenal.
And I didn't fail. Woohoo!
I am very, very proud of you.